baybayin ng pangarap, bayaning walang hanggan, sa malayong lupain, may bukang liwayway. Welcome to the Overseas Podcast Worker.
Hello,
Hello,
mga
mga
ka-OP!
ka-OP! Welcome
to
to
episode
13.
13.
Okay, so sa episode 13, we have a very special guest.
Yes.
Yes, ang ating very special guest sa namin siya, common friend namin siya dito sa Germany, si Katrina, or will I call her Kat, no? Is that okay, Kat? Can I call you Kat lang?
Yes, Katrina.
Okay.
Kat, Igal.
Yeah.
So, si Han, paano ba natin nakilala si Kat? Maybe siguro introduce mo ng sandali na siya.
Yeah. Si Kat is a friend of our closest friend in Germany. Then we met Kat last July.
Hmm.
And then we hit it off, right?
Oo.
Did we?
Oo.
Naman ba?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
And our friend is always connecting people.
Oo.
Yeah,
Nako.
correct.
Yung friend natin na yon ay I can imagine na sa episode niya it will be bongga din.
Yeah. Miss Congeniality.
Oo.
Correct.
Well, we're here about to talk sa'yo. So, maybe, so like we always go through with our guests. So, maybe you can give us a quick background. Sino ba si Kat?
Okay, Katrina is me. I'm a nursing graduate,
Mhm.
registered nurse in the Philippines, but I work for a very long time in a call center industry
Mm.
before I went here to Germany para sabi nga magbalik loob sa nursing.
Tapos, saan ka nag-aral ng nursing sa Pilipinas?
Sa Trinity University of
Ay,
when I was studying Trinity College of Quezon City pa siya. But
alam
now
ko
it's
yun.
Trinity University of Asia. So
Sa
I
may
graduated,
Irod, di
yes,
ba? Okay.
katabi siya ng St. Luke's. Pero
Mm.
they call it St. Luke's College of Nursing.
Mm.
Ano yun,
I
parang
see.
what's this? That's how, parang internally yun yung tawag sa inyo. Although hindi yun yung name ng school.
May ano ba siya? May parang, kasi katabi siya ng St. Luke's Han eh. So, meron ba siyang, pagmamayari ba siya ng St. Luke's?
Oo.
Luke's, officially, siya ba yung official university ng St. Luke's or it just so happen na magkatabi lang sila?
So kasi 'di ba last for the past years
Mm.
nursing was just a vocational course, and then
Ah.
when it became a Bachelor of Science,
Mm.
they needed to affiliate with a college or a university.
Mm.
So it first started in St. Luke's
Mm.
College of Nursing, and when it became a Bachelor of Science, they affiliated with Trinity College of Quezon City and now Trinity University of Asia.
I see. Tapos, nung pagka-graduate mo sa Trinity, immediately call center ang nasabi mo.
Yeah. So, kwento ko lang yung backstory bakit
Mm.
sa call center. So I graduated 2007 and one of the fortunate who
Mm.
passed the
Mm.
nursing board exam 2007. But if you could remember, there was a leakage scandal
Ah,
2006.
Oh.
oh
So,
my God.
yes, there was a review center who provided leakage to their students so they could get a higher rate, yung passing rate,
Ah.
diba?
Mm-mm.
So most of the takers from 2006, they retook their
Mm.
exam 2007. So imagine
Ang dami
that's 2
nun.
years worth of nursing graduates 2007. So it was hard to get a job in the
Mm.
hospitals, and also the hospitals took advantage.
Mm.
Instead of hiring people, they develop a training program
Mm.
wherein you have to pay to get in, to get the experience.
Oh my God,
Oh my God.
2007 yun? So nag-take
Mm,
advantage sila sa mga ano no, sa supply of nurses.
yes. Yeah, because I
Yan.
think yung US medyo na parang na-discourage because of the scandal to get nurses from the Philippines. So medyo madaming naipon na nurses. So yun,
Mm.
most of the hospitals if you want to get in, you have to
Mm.
get our training program which you have to pay most of the time
Shucks.
or
Parang,
work
And,
for free.
oo.
and how long yun? Yung halimbawa nagbayad ka na ganong katagal yung program?
For example, Lang Center offers 3 to 4 months if I remember it right,
Mm.
and you have to pay. I'm not sure, but 10,000 something like that.
Mm.
And
Mhm.
it's not sure that they will take you in depending on how was your performance during the training period.
Wow.
10,000
Ang
pesos?
I'm
Para
not
kang,
sure if I remember it correctly, but it's like
oo,
enrolling for another SEM.
yun na nga eh.
Ah.
Para siyang close to, I mean, back in the days when I was still in, ano, no, sa university. One sem ko was 13,000. Tapos yan,
Mm.
3 months, 10,000?
Oh,
What?
something like that.
Mm.
I'm not really sure how much, pero
Ah,
parang ganun yung
Well, let's
naaalala
say
oo.
ko.
more or less.
Yeah, more or
More or
less.
less. So the easier way to get a job is, of course, call center. Kasi that was
Okay.
also the boom of call center, di ba? Parang
Mm.
everywhere they're
Mm.
opening. And also, yung pay range.
Mm.
Yan pa. Correct.
Nursing, I think during that time, monthly salary is 10,000,
Mm.
more or less,
Mhm.
minimum wage. But if you get into a call center, it's higher. Kaya doon
Mm.
ako nag-start ng call center.
Mhm.
Ano yan, pero hindi na ako nag-effort to get into nursing. Kasi you're
Yeah.
getting good
Oh.
pay na rin.
Talaga.
Mm. And I started
So,
supporting my family, so yun.
so nung nag-call center ka, you don't have to mention kung anong company, pero
Mhm.
can you mention kung like hindi mo na mention kung taga saan ka sa Pilipinas, pero yung saan yung call center mo, and then maybe brief background lang dun sa call center life mo. Kasi ako nung experience ko, talagang graveyard, tapos yung weekends ko is weekdays. So, I don't know if you had something similar.
Mhm.
Yeah, so yung unang application ko, it was really hard because
Mm.
I'm not really confident speaking in English. Tapos sabi nila may accent ako and they needed someone with neutral accent. Kasi I
Mhm.
came from the province eh. I grew up from the province. So, hirap ako sa ang pinakaunang nag-hire sa akin is I'm living in Quezon City,
Mhm.
pero ang nag-hire sa akin is Teletech but in MOA.
Okay.
Mhm.
So I have to travel.
Malayo. I mean, sa
Mm,
Philippines in the Philippines perspective, no?
yes.
Parang malayo.
LRT.
Mm.
Correct.
That's of course graveyard shift because
Mhm.
we're catering to the US customers.
Mhm.
Tapos ang weekends mo is weekdays din ba?
Iba-iba kasi ng schedule eh, depende kung
Okay.
ano yung ibibigay sa'yo. Pero
Mhm.
most of the time, ano talaga siya, graveyard shift.
Okay.
Mhm.
Mhm.
So hindi rin siya guaranteed na Saturday, Sunday ang weekend.
Hindi guaranteed, so
Mm.
iba-iba.
I see. And then, so you mentioned na originally sa province ka. So, nung I'm guessing na dun from until high school ba sa province ka, and then tsaka ka nag-aral dito sa Trinity?
No, until grade school, and then I
Okay.
moved to Manila High School.
I see. Wow. Well, technically, ano ka na rin. Hindi ka na talaga probinsyano.
Yeah, pero during interview, they kept on telling me,
Mm.
you have an accent. They needed someone with a neutral accent, or maybe because I was not used to speaking in English during that time, kaya
Mhm.
hindi masyadong matatas,
Mm.
hindi pasok sa level of English na kailangan nila.
Well, I would argue na you're not alone. It's a very common ano. And minsan kasi parang hindi mo na alam na ako, ako confident ako sa the way I speak, but for some people meron sa tingin nila meron pa ring accent ano. So meron talagang siguro depende na lang sa ano sa nakikinig, no?
Oo, tsaka
Mm.
usually kasi yung mga interviewers, very fluent sila kaya they know
Mm.
kung ano yung kailangan ng client nila. And there are also accounts that they needed you to speak with a bit of an Australian accent or with a British
Okay.
accent.
Mm.
But they cater to different customers, so they require
Mm.
different level of English
Mm.
skills.
I see.
Mm.
And then nung nasa call center ka, gaano ka katagal sa call center?
So since 2007, and then before I moved here to Germany, so
Oh, ang tagal.
Ah,
until 2022.
all
Oh
throughout
my
your
God.
stay in the Philippines, bale.
Mm.
Yun ang ano mo. Meron akong na-curious ako ngayon kasi parang you said you passed the board exam for nursing, and then since there were a lot of nurses or supply of nurses back then in 2007, so nag-call center ka. How how did that make you feel? Kasi kung nag-pass ka sa, 'di ba, as a
Mm.
nurse, tapos hindi ka makapasok doon sa, I don't know, I'm sure that's your passion, no? Or kaya siguro I mean, I don't want to put words in your mouth, pero ano na feel mo?
Parang ano, during that time, yung focus ko is to start supporting my family
Mm.
Ah,
financially.
mhm.
So parang call center gave me that opportunity to
Mm.
provide
Okay.
the financial need. But at the
Mhm.
same time, on the side, I was still trying to get
Mm.
a
Ah,
job in hospitals or to pursue my nursing career. So I tried applying for Saudi Arabia.
Mm.
But
yeah, yeah.
since I don't have the experience,
Mm.
most of the time my application is set on the side. But
Mm.
for my application going to Saudi, hanggang ano, kaya nagpidos pa ako.
Mm.
Mm.
And then they said, "Oh, you just have to wait for your flight." So during that time, nag-resign na ako sa call center work ko kasi sabi ko, "Oh, I want to spend more time with my family kasi I'm leaving for
Mm.
abroad." Parang yun yung magiging first time ko maging OFW. Pero after 1 to 2 months, walang feedback of a flight schedule. And then when I get a text that I should go to their office, kasi I applied directly to their Ministry of Health.
Mm.
I did not go
Ah,
through an
what
agency.
agency? Okay.
Mm.
Mhm. And then they asked me to go there. Tapos they were asking me, "Oh, we saw that you didn't pass like a certificate of employment, like."
Mm.
And I said, I can't pass anything because I didn't have an experience."
Mm.
And then they said, "Oh, then it will take time for you to leave." Tapos sabi ko na lang,
Ah.
sige,
Oh,
kukunin ko na lang ulit yung application ko. Kasi there's no way for me to um, get a flight schedule kasi zero experience nga. So yun,
I
parang
see.
nag-focus na lang ako sa call center,
Mhm.
nag-hopping, 'di ba? Uso naman yun eh, call center
Mm.
Yeah,
hopping.
Yeah.
yeah,
You hear someone na, mas malaki sahod dito. Sige, move
yeah.
ako dito.
Uy, ano, parang very interesting yung ano mo, application mo sa Saudi. Kasi
Mhm.
yun nga, as for some overseas Filipino workers in Saudi na nurses, I'm sure pumunta sila muna doon ng naka-visa, then doon sila nag-apply. Pero sa'yo, directly sa Ministry of Health. So, I think that's something that uh, parang puwedeng i-elaborate. Puwede mo bang i-elaborate how did you go about it? Ano yung saan mo nakita siya? Tsaka ano yung steps na kinuha mo?
Sa news siya actually, parang it's a collaboration between two
Mm.
governments. And
Mm.
sa news, sinabi na Saudi Arabia is accepting nurses even without experience.
Ah,
So kaya
Ah.
pumunta ako sa sa Makati, yun 'di ba, yung Ministry of Health
Mm.
nila. And
mhm.
then they gave us an exam that is written exam and also oral exam. Like you have to explain some procedures, ganyan.
Mm.
And I passed all those. Tapos submitted all the documents.
Mm.
Tapos yun lang, tapos sasabihin nila, okay, then yung PDOS is papa-schedule ka for PDOS and
Mm.
then wait for the flight schedule.
Galing. Yung PDOS is, to be exact, ano yun, tsaka anong ibig sabihin? Ano yung significance niya?
Yung PDOS is like a seminar you have to go through provided by POEA sa lahat ng
Mm.
OFW for all Filipinos living the country. Tapos doon kasi di-discuss kung anong culture nung bansang pupuntahan mo
Mm.
para ma-prepare yung mga, syempre yung mga ibang Filipinos hindi naman nakakapag-travel abroad. So para hindi rin sila ma-culture shock. And at the same time siguro yung mga kagaya sa Saudi Arabia marami silang mga yung culture differences.
Mm.
Like
Mhm.
very strict sila in all those. So yun, parang i-discuss siya dun sa seminar na yon and all those.
Okay, I see.
I see. So it
Ang
turns out
galing.
parang kasi dun, nabanggit mo kanina dun sa advertisement na nakita mo they're accepting
Mm.
without experience pero nung
Oo.
nag-apply ka parang na-push back or na-set aside yung application mo for the same reason wala kang experience, 'di ba?
Parang
Oo.
misleading yung ano na yun, advertisement na yun.
Fake news.
Because kaya
Oo.
siguro nakita kasi nila na, marami naman nag-apply na may experience.
Okay.
Kasi sobrang
Tapos
dami talagang applicants.
mm,
Oh, for sure.
Kaya yun, siguro parang sabi nila, sige, dito ka na muna.
okay. So, after nun, when you found, na-mention mo, after nun, walang flight. Okay, nag-apply ka ng bagong call center. Like you said, call center hopping. So,
Mhm.
nakita mo na yung sarili mo na parang, balik call center na naman ako. Although there's nothing wrong with call centers. Nagtrabaho
Mhm.
rin ako dyan. Marami akong kilalang naging successful. But did you see that as parang sa, parang, this is it. Dito na lang ako sa call center? Or gaano katagal ka pa nag-call center until you pursued again your shot at nursing?
So, siguro before pandemic, medyo
Mm.
nabu-burnout na.
Mm.
So, parang ang daming pathways na ino-offer for nurses, 'di ba, yung sa
Mm.
Canada, Australia, New Zealand yung student visa,
Mm.
Mm.
wherein mag-a-apply ka as a student and then you can work there eventually. So
Mm.
parang yun yung tinitignan kong pathway before pandemic. But all of those pathways require you to spend a lot of money or to
Mm.
provide show money kasi nga student visa siya.
Mm. Mm.
Tapos in our company, we hired a Spanish speaking agent. And sabi nila, ang laki ng sahod niya parang may language bonus siya because she speaks Spanish. Tapos I heard na if you speak German, it pays more
Hmm.
sa call center. So parang sabi ko, okay, sige, baka pwede ako aral ng German. Tapos nag-inquire ako, there was, because my office is in Ortigas, and there was one school providing German language in Ortigas. And I inquired, but it's too expensive. Parang 200,000 yung fee. So
What?
sabi ko,
Mm.
oo,
200,000 pesos?
200,000 pesos pero that includes all the exams, yung the certificate and all those.
Mm.
Pero it's expensive, no?
Okay
Mm.
lang ba malaman yung name ng school?
Hindi ko na alam eh. Pero
Pero
sa
Visa?
Ortigas siya, oo.
anong
Ay,
level yun?
honestly, I forgot na.
Okay.
Kasi parang ang focus ko lang nun is, parang hindi ko nga alam na may level-level eh. Parang
Okay.
gusto ko lang, sige, kailangan ka matuto ng German kasi I could get,
Mm.
sabi nila, you could earn 100,000 pesos a month
Mhm.
if you speak
Hmm.
German sa call center, something like that. Pero yun nga, too expensive. So all the pathways,
Mhm.
very expensive. So parang sabi ko, sige, wag na lang. Dito na lang ako,
Okay.
stay na lang. And then nung pandemic, 'di ba, everyone siguro felt yung depression
Oo.
and kasi 'di ba bahay lang and you can't go out. Tapos dun ako nag-start ng parang searching sa Facebook. Sa Facebook ko lang din nakita yung offer ng pathway to go to Germany without spending anything.
Wow.
Oh.
How was it?
Mm. So, una, kasi I inquired Parang ang nakita ko kasi is to do an education, parang student visa din, Ausbildung.
Mm, mm,
Parang you study nursing here in Germany for 3 years and you will only get an allowance.
mhm.
But the accommodations will be provided for 3 years. So parang ganun yung nakita kong offer. And bago pa pala, wait lang, sorry. Bago pa pala ako, before pandemic, since I'm looking into different pathways, I also started volunteering sa Philippine General Hospital as a nurse
Oh,
during
okay.
my free time.
Wow. Good
Just to
job.
see if I still like to do
Mhm,
nursing
mm,
and if I still have the skills. Yun. So, yun na nga. Nung pandemic, I was browsing and then I inquired dito sa nag-o-offer ng education course sa Germany. So, sabi ko, I'm a registered nurse pero wala akong experience. Pero nag-volunteer ako dito sa PGH and all those. So, parang gusto kong i-try yung ino-offer nila. Tapos tumawag siya, sabi niya, "Gaano ka na katagal volunteer dito sa Philippine General Hospital?" Sabi ko, "Mga around 1 year." Tapos sabi niya, "Sige, I will check if they will consider that as an
mm,
experience."
mhm,
Kasi she could offer a better opportunity for me rather than
mm,
studying for 3 years. Tapos sabi ko, "Okay." And then when she called back, sabi niya, puwede daw na I can take a different pathway, which is a free language exam. And then when I pass that, I could work immediately as a nurse since I'm a
Wow.
registered nurse. Yes, and
Mhm.
they will
That's good.
consider yung volunteer work ko sa PJs as an experience. So dun na nag-start.
That's nice.
Ah,
Hmm.
so I think that's the first time na nakarinig ako ng ganyang pathway, no? Like you said, parang normally may mga nakakabit na malaking cost talaga eh. Pero it
Mm.
turns out sa mga nurses, there's specifically for Germany, merong ganyang option. Do you think na that was in effect of the pandemic din? Tapos, do you also know kung available pa rin yung ganyang pathway?
Mm.
Yes, marami pa rin nag-o-offer. I think usually for the German government is really open to accommodating all the nurses. Kaya they make it as easy as possible.
Hmm.
So as far as I know, as long as you're a registered nurse and have an experience, most of the agencies provide free language course
Mhm.
and also certification. So once you pass the exam, and you could immediately go to Germany and start working as a nurse. So
So,
Meron
go
sorry,
ahead.
may question ako. Yung free language course mo, ano yung mga levels na binigay sa'yo?
Nung sa amin is specifically dun sa kasi yung agency namin is ang binibigay nila is B2 Pflege, which is yung level specifically for nurses. Whereas I think other agency Allgemein, which is the
Hmm.
general
Yeah, B2 Allgemein.
B2 Allgemein. So
Mm.
sa amin B2 Pflege, hanggang B2 Pflege.
yeah.
Wow. Okay yun, from A1 to B2. All free
Mhm.
courses and then even yung exam is covered.
Yes.
Exam fees.
For the
That's
first year.
good.
So,
Galing.
anong ano, wala kang lumabas sa bulsa mo, kumbaga. Lahat doon sa ano.
Siguro ang pinaka-expense na lang namin is for the translation of documents,
Mm.
Mm,
which is per page. Siguro mga around I spent 20,000.
mm, mm,
Pero tsaka medical yung ibang medical test Parang
Oo.
may initial medical exam kasi. You have to pay
Oo.
for that. Pero I think yung mga pagpaalis na is provided by the company. Pero I'm seeing that to attract more nurses, nililibre na rin nila yung translation. As in, you won't be spending anything na sa mga bagong offer ngayon.
I see. So, ang nangyari is, so yung nung nag-apply ka, so na-send mo na, na-translate na yung documents mo, submit mo na. What happened after? Like, how long did it took you to actually say maka-receive ng invite?
Okay, so yung language course is like around 6 months,
Mhm.
A1 to B2. However, during that time period, naghahanap na rin si agency na employer mo. So, pwedeng nasa A1 ka pa lang, pinapa-interview ka na nila for your employer. So, yung iba sa amin, lalo na yung may mga mahabang experience o yung talagang specialized yung training nila like intensive stations, ICU experience, mga ganyan. Minsan A1 pa lang, alam na nila kung may employer sila.
Mm.
And
Ah.
then after language, 'pag natapos mo na yung 6 months at nakapasa ka ng B2 or even B1, ipe-prepare na nila yung documents mo for the visa interview. So ako, siguro mga a year or
Ah,
Total.
oo, mabilis lang yung process. As long as na ano, ma-submit mo yung papers mo on time. Kasi for example, yung transcript of records natin sa
mm,
Philippines, we
mm,
are based on units, 'di ba?
mm, mm,
Pero sa
Yeah.
Germany kasi is per hour. So yun,
mm.
papa-convert mo pa yun sa school mo. Yung iba kong kasama, nahirapan sila kasi yung school nila is nawala na.
My God.
So they
Ay,
need to
oo.
track yung mga ganun lang naman, mga documents lang yung magiging problema.
Mm. Wow.
Galing. Actually, meron akong I think yung question ko medyo nakalimutan ko. Pero yung yung 'di ba na-providean ka ng yung documents, ibibigay mo sa kanila tapos process nila yung visa, authentication or certification, tapos yung flight.
Everything is
Ah.
covered.
I see.
Mhm.
And then
Ah,
nakakuha ka ng eto, okay, bumalik na yung question ko.
Okay.
So, kasi na-mention mo about yung may mga even if you're at A1 level kaya nag-aaral ka pa lang, pinapa-interview ka na. And then what
Mhm.
if meron bang how did you know that you got the job? And do you verbally ba siya? Do you get a contract? And then kailangan mong sign up, sign on yung contract, and how is it?
So yung sa akin, later part na kasi ako nagka-interview because hindi nga masyadong madaming experience ko. Pero once I pass the interview, mag-e-email sa'yo si agency. Sasabihin niya, congratulations, you passed this interview. Tapos itatanong niya kung okay sa'yo yon, kung okay ka dun sa clinic na yon. So you still have an option to choose. Kasi yung iba, halimbawa, may family members sila na is already in Germany. So you could ask to be assigned to those cities.
Ang
Kaya very
galing.
flexible naman sila. Tapos they
Oo.
will send you the contract and yun, they will sign.
Mm.
So ano yung mga naging options mo? Tapos eto na, baga nag-ano ka, nakapili ka ba ng meron ka bang choices talaga, or eto talaga yung gusto mo?
Sa'kin 'di na ako naging choosy, kasi wala
Mm,
naman akong experience. Pero, I'm just glad na I was assigned to a hospital instead of, a home care.
mm.
Because most of the nurses, they are first assigned to home cares, lalo na 'pag walang experience.
I see.
Um,
Ang galing na diretso. Kasi
So,
parang meron din akong naalala na nag-start siya sa mga fliggy. Yung mga home care o sa
mm,
mga seniors. And then as ah parang nagpo-progress siya, tsaka lang nata-transfer, tama ba? Sa hospitals. So, galing. Good job.
nothing wrong with home care, pero I think
Mm.
mas higher lang yung offer pag nasa
ganun.
proper hospital ka or clinic.
Oo. At saka mas ano yata, mas what do you call that? Mas mabigat yung work pag sa
Mm,
home care. Mga senior. Hindi naman.
Hindi ko lang sure. Pero
Mm.
kasi yung sa akin, nasa rehabilitation clinic kami, so mabigat din.
Okay.
Kat, can you take us through that day when you found out na
Mm.
invited ka na for Germany?
Yeah.
Like, anong reaction mo? How did you tell your parents or ano?
Okay, so when I was taking the language core, I didn't tell anybody. Kasi parang hindi ako confident eh. Parang sabi ko, baka fake ito. Because
Mm,
you're not paying anything. So you feel like baka scam or anything.
Mm-mm.
And at the same time, if you fail, then no one knows that you failed.
okay.
But when I
Oh
already
my
have
God.
the
Oh!
employer and all that, and when I already got my visa, when I was already approved for visa.
Uy, ano parang nakaka-curious tuloy yung agency mo. Is it okay to ask the name para let's say dun sa mga listeners natin na that are interested to go to Germany and are registered nurses, maybe they can visit the website of your agency, just to have a try.
Okay, yung agency kasi dito sa Germany is called Alpha. And
Alpha.
then Alpha, yes, and they have a language school, German language school sa Manila, sa Makati, called Alpha. Alpha din yung name, Alpha Care
Okay.
Language School. And since language school lang sila, they affiliated with a POEA registered agency which is called Lifelinks.
Okay.
Mm. So, yung agency ko talaga sa Philippines is Lifelinks. Sila yung
Lifelinks.
nag-process ng everything. Pero yung language training school is Alpha, which is the same agency na nandito sa Germany.
Bali ka-collab nila, no? Yung
Oo,
Lifelink.
parang ka-collab. Kasi 'di ba, if you're an agency in the Philippines, you need to be registered to POEA.
Yeah, tama.
So, that's where Lifelinks come in.
Okay,
So, they could
listeners,
check
Lifelink.
they could check Lifelinks or they could also check Alpha Care in
Okay,
Facebook.
thank you.
All
Thank you.
right. Pero okay. So, natanggap ka na, meron ka ng punta ka na ng Germany. How, anong first, an, if I'm, pagko-connect-connectahin ko, if I'm not mistaken, parang during height ng pandemic ba? Or meron pang pandemic pa rin yung dumating ka?
Dumating ako last year, April
Okay.
2022. Medyo nagda-die down na. Pero yung requirements sa airport,
Mm,
pa din, 'di ba, may vaccination,
mm,
tapos oh, yes, 2022. So,
mm,
medyo pero sa clinic namin,
mm.
naka-mask pa rin kami pagdating and I have to be tested. Pero lang naman, yung ano ba yung Schnell test of sa English ulit?
Ah, oo nga,
Yung
no?
swab lang.
Okay. Hindi yung
Oo, meron nga pala
kumbaga
Schnell
yung
test.
merong, yun ba yung parang may lang kit,
Rapid
may
test.
merong
Yun yung
Yeah,
rapid
rapid
test.
test
rapid test.
Mm, mm,
for 5 days. Pero pumapasok na ako nun kahit
mm.
nagra-rapid. Kasi as
I
soon as I arrive, dumating ako Holy Week. They needed personnel. Kasi karamihan, 'di ba,
mm,
naka-vacation. So, yun. Pagdating, dumating ako ng 14, nag-work na ako ng 15. Bawal ang jet lag.
wow.
Mm. Oh my
Wala nang
God.
paikot-ikot.
How was it? Kasi parang sabi mo walang jet lag. Ano yung kind of adjustment for you? Kasi big transition.
Siguro dahil ang bilis ng pangyayari, parang hindi pa ang tagal bago nag-process sa utak ko. Kasi din, 'di ba yung sa Holy Week is ang dami ko pang planong bakasyon. Tapos
Mm.
tinawagan ako ng Monday, ata yun. And then sabi nung agency sa'kin, I have to leave ng Thursday. Agad parang I have
4 days? Not
4
even
days
4 days.
wala pa akong maleta nun.
Oh my God.
Kasi sa batch namin parang we're 15. Nauna
Aha.
na yung 7, tapos, sumunod yung 5. So, 3 na lang kami
Mm.
natira. So, I was confident na sabay-sabay kaming 3. Eh, yung
Mm.
mga kasama ko nun, yung 2 wala pa silang, visa appointment, interview.
Mm. Mm.
So, ako yung nauna sa aming 3. So, nag-create kami ng GC and we were saying nga, "Oh, magsabi kayo 'pag may
Mm.
visa interview na." So, that's my cue na malapit na akong umalis.
Mm.
Eh, pero wala pa silang interview, pero tinawagan ako ng agency. So, Thursday I have to leave. So, alone?
Oh,
Tapos yun
shucks.
nga kasi, kailangan daw niyang parang ni-request ata ng clinic kasi kailangan nila ng tao for yun nga, yung Holy Week. Kaya
Ano sabi
dumating ako
ng
ng
parents?
14,
Mm.
tapos, 15 may parang 'di na nga ako nahatid ni mama sa airport, eh. Kasi parang nasa, Isabela siya. Si papa na lang yung naghatid sa'kin tsaka yung ibang mga kapatid ko. Pero okey na rin kasi alam mo naman, baka
Yeah.
bumaha sa airport. Tsaka parang ang bilis rin, parang hindi pa siya nagpa-process talaga sa'kin.
Okay.
Yun nga, tas
Yeah.
last minute bili ng luggage and all that. Tapos, sinundo may parang sa amin kasi sa agency may naka-assign na isang tao. Tapos siya yung susunduin kami sa airport, tapos siya din yung magpa-process ng mga, bank account namin, 'di ba registration
Mm.
sa rat house, sa
Mm.
townhouse ba tawag dun?
Mm.
Mm.
Oo nga 'no,
Sa
ano
town
yun?
hall,
Mm.
town hall, registration, yung ganyan. Tapos yung sa accommodation namin, yun parang may naka-assign for 3 months a-assist niya kami. So, for our transition. So, okay din yung
Hmm.
agency namin kasi well taken care of kami,
That's
during
good.
our arrival here.
So, ang galing 'no, napakabilis ng mga pangyayari. Pero ngayong what's your impression of Germany naman? Anong mga adjustments, on your daily life ang mai-she-share mo?
Siguro nung pagdating ko kasi parang akala mo 'di ba I pass B2 sa Philippines.
Mm.
Mm.
Pero parang feeling mo, siguro naman I'm prepared. Pero pagdating ko, first day of work
Mm.
parang, hindi ko na matandaan lahat na napag-aralan ko. Tapos ang bilis-bilis nilang magsalita and parang they are expecting you to understand what they're saying.
Oh
Oh my
no.
God, oh.
Parang, okey. Tapos alam mo, yun na nga, kailangan mong tanggapin na tanga ka for the past, hindi nga weeks, months.
Mm.
Kasi yun talaga mafe-feel mo, yung bobo ba ako?
Mm.
Kasi 'di ba parang yun alam mo naman yung responsibilities as a nurse kasi
Yeah.
napag-aralan mo. And kasi yung nursing nila dito is hindi naman masyadong medically inclined, unlike sa
Okay.
Pilipinas na
Ah.
mas marami tayong responsibilities. Yung iba kasi dito na, like inserting yung mga infusion, yung mga 'di ba
Mhm.
may intravenous therapy, nurses gumagawa nun sa Philippines, pero dito mga doctors lang ang puwede. So yun yung mga adjustment. Pero unti-unti naman nakaka-adapt sa nila, sa pagsasalita. Kaya mas
For
light ang
example.
responsibilities ng nurses dito is more on talaga, um, core body care, mga ganyan. Pero yung mga
Hmm.
pagdating sa, yun nga, yung intravenous therapy, kasi 'di ba sa Pilipinas pagdating ng pasyente, ikaw na maglalagay ng IV niya.
Mm.
Dito doktor yun. So medyo
Okay.
lighter yung mga responsibilities ng nurses dito. I think you have to take parang yung katumbas ng Bachelor of Science in Nursing natin sa Pilipinas. Pero you have to get a higher language level. I think C2. Hindi ako familiar sa ano nila para mas
Mm.
ma-higher yung ano mo.
You
Mm.
mean like to reach that level, kailangan mo pa
Mm.
ng Bachelor of Science for that
Sa
ano,
university ka, oo, sa
skill.
university.
Grabe 'no.
Mm.
So, pero knowing na alam mo na 'yun, so mas capable ka pa rin compared
Yeah,
to their nurses, 'di ba?
yung language lang talaga.
Mm.
Pero I would bet na if you would compare yourself from yung now tsaka last year, siguro would you say na mas fluent ka na talaga in Deutsch and German?
Not necessarily fluent, pero
Mm.
medyo nakaka-hold naman na ng conversation. And at the same
Ah,
time, kasi nung pagdating ko, takot ako sa ano, mga relatives ng patients. Because they're the one asking questions and all
Oo,
that. You have to explain.
mm,
oo.
Tsaka yung pagsagot ng telepono. Ngayon, kahit papaano, nakakasagot na.
nice.
Oh,
So
that's
confident ka
nice.
na.
Not so, pero getting there.
Okay. At
Meron bang
I'm
instance
sure
na
mas magaling ka pa sa akin.
Hindi tayo sure.
uy, may question lang ako kasi parang 'di ba sabi mo yung mga past months, mga siguro first few months mo, they were expecting probably na marunong ka na talaga sa ano, sa German. Parang na-feel mo ba na na-bully ka or na maybe na-discriminate ka because of your language
Oo,
skill sa German?
mm. Kasi
Ah,
I'm not sure. For some reason, as soon as you start working with some of the Germans, they expect you to, alam mo yon, yung maging
A-game 'no?
marunong ka na, oo.
Mm,
Parang, ewan ko kung siguro sa clinic namin dahil hindi
mm,
sila masyado exposed sa mga ano. Pero hindi ko alam eh. Pero yon, meron talagang ganun na they were saying, oh, tones. Lalo na pag kunwari may dalawang Pilipino. So,
mm,
we will speak in our language, 'di ba? Kasi
Oo,
minsan I find comfort eh kapag nakakapagsalita ako tsaka na-express ko yung
yeah,
gusto kong sabihin.
yeah.
Pero yung iba sisitahin ka nila and all that. Pero ano naman, slowly parang they're starting to adjust. And at the same time, yung hospital namin are doing this something about it. Like they held a communications training para sa
Hmm,
for everyone na parang sinasabi nilang in-explain dun sa training na yon na iba-iba yung upbringing ng mga um, parang colleagues
good.
mo. Oo, yung values mo could be different sa itong kasamahan mo and the way you do things could be different. Kasi 'di ba meron kasi silang expectation na ito yung ginagawa ko, kailangan ganito rin yung gawa mo. So,
Mm,
I think yung training na yun is helpful hindi lang din sa akin kundi dun sa mga iba na parang sabi na hindi ka puwedeng mag-expect kung ano yung gusto mo na yun din yung gagawin ng mga kasamaan mo. So yun, medyo at the same time nag-a-adjust na rin sila sa amin tsaka ayun.
oo, kailangan maging
You
inclusive
mentioned
sila.
kanina na you find comfort. Sorry. Yeah, you mentioned na you find comfort kapag may mga nakakausap kang Pilipino. And I'm glad that you're able to do that. Marami ba kayong Pilipino sa clinic nyo? And can you share siguro what anong Filipino activities ang nagagawa niyo pare?
Actually before our group, 15
Mm,
kami 'di ba na dumating last
mm,
year. Before our group parang iilan lang sila. Parang mga 10 lang. Very small lang yung community ng Filipino dito, eh. So yun, parang as much as possible meron kaming GC and then
Hmm.
kagaya niyan 'pag yung Christmas, parang mag-i-invite ta's dun lang pupunta, yung potluck na lang, gano'n. 'Pag may mga celebrations, ganyan.
Nice.
So hindi
So
ka pa
that's good.
hindi ka na pala masyadong naho-homesick kasi marami kang group of Filipino friends, if I'm not
Mm,
mistaken. Oh, that's
oo.
nice.
Tsaka 'di ba at tsaka minsan yung, 'pag may naririnig ako nagsasalita ng Pilipino parang mapapalingan ka parang, "Ate may mga
Oo.
parang
Oo
ano,
nga 'no.
ina-attract ka ng ano, wala lang
Mm.
parang nakaka-miss lang kasi minsan if you are
Hmm.
able to, express yourself freely. Kasi kahit na sabihin
Oo.
mong nagsasalita ka na ng German,
Mm.
limited pa rin, eh, hindi
Mm.
talaga yung freely mo na ano. Yung minsan yung kailangan mo
Mm.
i-defend yung sarili mo, pero hindi mo
Yeah.
ma-defend sasabihin mo na lang, "Alles gut."
Amen.
'Di ba?
Correct.
Alles gut,
Parang
yun na lang. Magic word 'no?
correct.
How about ano, yung I'm guess ang local dialect niyo ba is Ilocano? Meron ka na bang narinig na kabayan mo sa
Oo,
diyan
may
or
mga Ilocano, iba may mga Bisaya dito.
I
Mm.
see, okay. Okay.
Pang
Um,
ilang year mo na Christmas dito sa Germany?
2 years na. Bale magse-second year na ako dito sa Germany this April, coming April.
Wow,
Hindi ka pa umuwi ng
congrats.
Pinas 'no?
Hindi pa, medyo mahal.
Nakapag-Bolivian box ka? Na-try mo na?
Hindi pa, nag-order pa lang ako ng box,
Ah,
empty
Ah,
box.
okay.
will take time para mapuno pa 'yan.
Mm.
Yeah.
Ita-try ko pa lang, eh.
Siguro maybe so that's very interesting, no? Parang ano, ang nakakatuwa na may mga kasama ka ring Pilipino diyan.
Mm.
Siguro I'll start na rin yung question natin na what happens next para kay Kat? Ano, so
Hmm.
it seems like you're having fun dito na sa Germany, meron ka ng mga friends.
Mm.
What do you think will happen in what's in your horizon?
Oo.
Siyempre travel, 'di ba? Kasi,
Mm.
being here in Germany gives you the, opportunity to explore other European countries.
Mm.
Napakaganda nung visa na provided for us, 'di
Yeah.
ba? We can travel except of course United Kingdom, pero yun
Mm.
ang daming options, eh, so travel. And also siguro improve ko yung ano, gusto ko improve talaga yung language, German language. Kasi I wanted to do further studies.
Hmm.
Mm.
Kasi if you do further studies related to nursing,
Mm.
then you have the opportunity to increase your salary or to increase
Mm.
your rate.
Okay.
So
That's so
more further studies that you will be able to do, the more na you get a better offer, something like that. So yun yung
But
mga
well,
nilook forward ko. Thank you.
yeah. You
pero
can do that
that's
for sure.
ano, parang may scholarship ka rin sa kanila, ganyan?
Uh, Depende.
Mm.
Some hospitals they can offer you yun nga yung further studies or Weiterbildung na sinasabi and you
Mhm.
still get paid while studying. Or I think you have to look depende kung anong gusto mong ano eh. Anong ano ba 'to, anong course. Merong anesthesia nursing, something like that.
Mm.
Mga gano'n.
Pero meron ka bang specific na gusto mo?
Wala pa ngayon, eh. Tinitignan ko pa kung ano yung
Mm.
kakayanin ng brain cells ko. Kasi medyo 'di ba, matanda
Oo,
na
kasi
tayo pero
dalawa yung parang kailangan kumbaga parang isipin mo yung language
mm,
plus yung extra skill, 'di ba?
true. Kung English lang sana 'di ba, go, go, go.
Yeah,
Pero 'pag
why
ano
not? Pero do
Or
you
do you
see
also
yourself
see yourself
yan?
sorry, go ahead, Dan.
Do you also see yourself staying here for a longer period? Ito na ba yung country na tingin mo gusto mong maging retiring country for you in the future?
Yeah, I see myself staying longer here. Pero in terms of retirement, di ko alam kung here or baka gusto ko pa rin umuwi ng Pilipinas.
Mm.
Appear.
Yeah, nothing beats home, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero ano, siguro do you also see na lumipat sa ibang German cities siguro?
Oh, ano yan, another option din. Pero kasi
Mhm.
right now, hindi pa talaga ako confident sa speaking ability ko o
Mhm.
communication skills ko. And ito kasi mga current na katrabaho ko is they know na I just came here.
Mhm.
So, nag-a-adjust pa lang din sila sa akin. I'm afraid na pag lumipat ako, yung expectation na ng ibang magiging new colleagues ko is higher in terms of
Mhm.
communication. So, sabi ko, stay
Mm.
na ako for a while here. And then when I get better, siguro I'll look into that option.
Actually, that's a good attitude.
Mm.
Correct.
And 2 years is not kumbaga, actually in my perspective, in a span of 2 years, malaki na yung improvement mo. Kasi ako, tagal ko na dito, but I don't think we have at least yung rate of progress, mas I think hindi ganun kabilis ng katulad sa'yo.
Siguro kasi yung advantage is sa work, bawal kami no English eh. Lahat
Mm.
German, all documents. So, kaya wala kang choice but to
Mhm.
speak
You have
the
to adapt.
language and to, yes, to practice the language.
Oo.
Okay.
Agree. So, nasabi mo na nakabili ka na ng box, di ba?
Empty box
So,
na lang.
the next question is, wait.
Question, oo.
Okay, the next
Well,
question is that, ano yung top 3 things, top 3 ba or top 5, honey?
top 3 lang.
Top 3 lang, okay. Top 3 items na ilalagay mo sa balikbayan box.
Actually, naisip ko ngayon olive oil.
Alam mo, ang
Oo.
daming may olive oil, no? Okay.
Mahal kasi
Kasi
sa Pilipinas yun.
Kasi
oo nga eh.
luxury siya, di ba, sa atin. Eh, dito parang normal oil lang nila. So, olive oil. Actually, gusto ko nga raw ng different cheese eh, pero hindi siya pwede sa balikbayan box.
Hindi.
Ano
And
pa
it
ba?
makes sense kasi madaling pagdating ng Pilipinas yan, baka puro molds na rin.
True. Chocolates, as usual, di ba?
Meron ka bang specific chocolate na nasa isip?
Ang favorite ko kasi Ritter Sport.
Ritter Sport. Yeah,
Same.
okay.
Pero I'm sure yung sa Pilipinas, ang inaabangan nila Milka.
Milka
Oo.
is German chocolate bang Milka?
Actually, hindi. Ano siya, American.
Hindi ba?
Akala ko rin.
Ay,
Oo.
hindi. Oh, talaga? American?
Yeah.
Hindi ko alam.
Ang
Akala ko kasi
Ritter,
Cadbury yung sa kanila.
Milka is ano rin, American, lumalabas.
Hmm.
Ooh.
Meron bang counter, ano lang yata ang, kalimutan ko na yung, pero Ritter is definitely 100% German siya.
Ritter
Hmm.
Ritter Sport, yeah.
Okay. So olive oil, chocolate, dalawa na yon. Ano pa yung pangatlo mo?
Siguro tulip na lang.
Julie.
I-research
Hindi
pa
ba
German
sira?
ba to? German product?
Hindi, well, okay na rin. Malay mo, 'di ba? Meron pa rin makaka-appreciate nun. Pero ano bang sikat sa
And
bad buildingin?
itong area kasi na to, ano siya, parang ang tinatawag nilang spa town. So,
Okay.
nandito yung largest core park in Europe. Yung
Wow,
parang
okay.
park siya for rehabilitation. So,
Mm.
yung lugar na to, all in all, meron siyang 20 na hospitals or
Dati?
clinic.
Mm.
So,
Okay
makikita mo
na.
dito pag naglalakad ka, mga matatandang naka-wheelchair or practicing to walk, mga patients, nakita mo yan.
So, alangan
Mm.
naman yun ang ipadala mo, di ba? Hindi mo
Mm.
naman pwede
Pwede pala dyan yung
So, hindi ko
sabihin.
mag-return.
talaga alam.
Ang galing. Pero that's fine. That's totally fine kasi, 'di ba? Actually, ang napapansin ko nga parang inabanggit mo yung chocolate and um olive oil.
Olive
I
oil.
think kung maggagawa tayo ng regardless anong bansa nga at least sa mga na past interviews namin, parang napaka-common niya. I think it's not more on anong meron sa kung nasaan ka, but it's more on kung anong wala sa Pilipinas, 'di ba?
Mm.
Mm.
Tsaka
Or
kung ano
ano,
rin yung gusto. Di ba usually kasi ganun anong request
Mm,
ng mga family
mm,
members mo?
meron na bang
mm.
nag-request na syempre pag I don't know kung may ano siya yung humihirit, 'di ba gano'n pag nasa abroad, "Uy, ano naman, sapatos or
Mm.
something," may humirit na ba sa'yo?
Wala pa naman. Kasi kakauwi lang din ng sister ko from Taiwan. So, medyo nakuha na nila yung mga
Hmm,
request nila. Wala pang bago
mm.
request for me.
Okay. You're safe. Kailan mo
Safe
Yeah.
pa.
mapapadala yung well, no pressure pero sa tingin mo kailan mo mapapadala yung box?
Goal is this year.
Okay.
Hmm.
That's a
Hindi ko pa
very
alam which month.
Yeah.
yan, pag ganyan ng achievable yan.
Kasi
Ayan.
baka pag magbigay ako ng month, tapos mapakinggan to ng family ko, na
Oo nga,
sila,
no?
ilista na nila.
Hindi, sabihin natin next 2 years. Yan.
Yung next
Mm.
yung box lang muna nandito.
Oo, oo. Nakakatuwa namang kausap si Kat. Parang ang dami kong natutunan kasi katulad niyang
Mm.
yung pathway, lalo na yung pathway at saka parang akala ko mahirap. Pero it seems na parang yung parang pinakamadali. My impression is at least yung process is madali, but what makes it difficult is yung language. But other than that, marami din ako natutunan about yun nga sa nurse life.
Mm. Correct. And
Okay.
thank you
So,
for your time, girl. Kasi maybe
oh,
we'll wrap it up. Oo, kasi
oh,
yeah. So, thank you for your time for sharing your stories. We learned a lot.
oh,
Very interesting. Yun nga, gaya na
oh,
sinabi ni Mike, yung visa na yun kasi parang especially Germany, knowing how
mm,
bureaucratic Germany is,
mm,
pero there's an easy way pala to go to Germany if
mm.
of course yung line of work mo is in medical industry, which is
But
in your
before
case
before
nurse.
natin completely end, baka may gusto kang i-shout out
Yeah,
or baka meron kang pinopromote diyan,
promote,
hindi
baka
namin
may
alam na
business ka sa
bigla ka palang
Pinas or yung family
oo,
mo, ayan.
or baka may influencer ka pala na meron kang TikTok
Uy,
or
influencer
Instagram
siya sa
page.
Facebook,
Oo,
ano ba?
oo.
Hindi rin, girl, Lahat shout out kay Cha.
Hmm,
Sa
okay.
Thank you for connecting us. Diba?
Oh, and
yeah, super.
thank you,
And
thank you.
kay Peter na din.
Uh,
Oo.
anyways, thank you so much, Kat. And also, thank you
Mm.
na rin as being a listener. And we hope na lagi ka pa rin
Thank you
makinig
for
at
inviting me din. I enjoyed it.
magsuportahan tayo. Okay?
Thank